Hello, gorgeous. Thanks for clicking. My name is Ashley Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to get big bouncy curls. I'm going to use my brush from Wet Brush and comb through all the knots. My hair is dirty, so I'm going to use dry shampoo from Amika. I take sections and I spray it about 5 inches away or so. Make sure your hands are clean when you're doing your hair because you're going to shake all of this through and you don't want oils going onto your scalp. That's the whole point of dry shampoo. Brush your hair after so there's no knots, and then I like to split it down the middle. That way when you curl your hair, it makes it a lot easier and makes the process go by faster instead of parting it from the bottom going up. To curl my hair, I always use my BabyLiss curling irons. I think they're amazing and they're smooth. And today I'm going to be using 1 1/4 inch curling iron starting in the back and making sure I'm getting a good section, not too big. And then I twist it like that. Bring it out a little bit, clamp it, feel the heat. Always make sure to feel the hair. You do not want to burn your hair. Twist it again, pull it, twist it up, and let go. Take another section and go in the opposite direction. I think that is the key to curling your hair, because if you just put it all in one direction, it's not going to have flow. So if you go outside and you look at the trees and the branches, everything is in opposite direction, and you kind of want to take that and into your hair and in beauty, because nothing is the same.
Is anyone there?
When I get towards the front of my face, I always take the hair in the opposite direction. I mean, you can go into your face as well, but I just think it's a better look. I think it stays out of my face.
Honey.
When I curl my bang, I don't really curl it. I kind of just have it flow into my hair, if that makes sense. Can we like not look at my double chin right now? When the hair cools, that's what your hair will end up looking like. So if something looks a little too heavy or something, you can pat it down while it's still warm and it will take away from the curl. I think for me, when I first started learning how to curl my hair with a curling iron, it definitely took a lot of practice and time. So if you feel like this is a little advanced for you, let me know and maybe I can make a YouTube video on how to curl your hair for beginners. For beginners.
Honey.
Again, when I get to the front of my face, I like to go in the opposite direction, so just keep that in mind. So after I'm done curling my hair, I like to take some pieces at the top of my head, wrap it around the iron from the root to the end, and kind of clamp it down and just give you that extra volume. It's so pretty at the end, you'll see. Make sure to grab pieces throughout your whole head because your head is round, and if you just take one or two, it's not going to be even all around. Check it. Using my favorite hairspray from Sexy Hair, I spray it all around from the roots to the end, and then using dry conditioner from Amika on my ends just to give me that shiny, silky look without weighing my hair down. My fingers through, and voila! Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned something from this. Please subscribe, and I will be posting more in the future. Bye!